Okay, children. So today we are going to study only about case studies and also assertion and reasoning questions in different model papers what they are saying. So first, please whatever model papers which I have given, please open in that CBSE model paper September 20, 2019. Please open that. When you open that, children, if you open that, okay. First, I want to do third question case study. Anyway, only two questions are there. Top questions also we'll do, and then we'll go to case study. First question was, what is catenation? What is
Property of
catenation?
carbon to form four covalent bonds.
No, Nana.
Property of carbon to form long
Long
chain
chain
carbon
carbon compounds,
compounds.
sir.
Property of carbon to link with itself and form long chain carbon compounds. Property of carbon to link with itself and form long chain carbon compounds. Property of carbon to link with itself and form long chain carbon compounds. Okay, children? So whenever you get this definition, you have to draw like this also, children. Property of carbon to link with itself and form four covalent, sorry. Property of carbon to link with itself and form long chain carbon compounds. Second question. Please don't forget to draw this one. Second question, Divya. Hmm, how does the valency of an element vary across a period? Across a period, how does the valency change? Across
First
the
increase,
period.
then
First increase,
decrease.
then decrease.
First plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So increases and then decreases. Increases and then decreases. Okay, you should say increases and then decreases, and you should write this structure. In the exam, if you get first, you should say increases and then decreases. You should write this under that as a reason. Now, case study. Let's go to case studies and assertions and reasoning questions. In the third question, all of you open. I have sent the model papers. So please open that. Now what they have sent. So children, they have sent something about the renewable energy sources such as wind energy are vital for Indian economy, not only from the point of view of supply, but also from the perspective of environmental and social benefits. India is the world's fifth largest wind power producer in India, as installed in Tamil Nadu. Muppandal is a small village of Tamil Nadu and one of the most important sites of wind farm in the state. It uses wind from Arabian Sea to produce renewable energy. The suitability of Mundapal as a site for wind energy farm stems for geographical location, as it has access to seasonal monsoonal winds. If you go to Tamil Nadu, children, in Kanyakumari, beside the Arabian Sea, if you go almost 30, 40 kilometers in this Mundapal village or what Muppandal village, almost 30, 40 kilometers continuously, you can see wind energy farms, children. He is discussing about that. So, based on this, some case study questions are there, children. Let's try to answer those questions, children. Chalo, first question. So, the electrical generators use wind turbines in sites like Muppandal produce an output of 240 volts and frequency 50 hertz even when the wind speed is fluctuating. A transformer may be required to increase or decrease the voltage so it compatible with the end usage. Okay, distribution and transmission depending on the type of interconnection. State the principle behind generator. What is the principle behind generator?
Produce current.
Principle.
Electromagnetic induction.
Electromagnetic induction. Very good. The principle behind generator is electromagnetic induction. Principle behind generator is electromagnetic induction. Principle behind generator is electromagnetic induction. Next, the output frequency of wind turbine is 50 hertz. What does 50 hertz mean? 50 hertz means what? 50 hertz means what? Wind 50 hertz means, children, 50 hertz means the armature will be there, not children? Armature in generator rotates 50 times in 1 second. 50 hertz means it rotates 50 times in 1 second. It rotates 50 times in 1 second. If it is rotating one time, polarity changes how many times? Two times. So for 50 times, polarity changes 100 times. Children, 50 hertz meaning the armature rotates 50 times in 1 second. 50 hertz meaning is armature or turbine rotates 50 times in 1 second to produce current. Third question. Why do you think Mundapal is advantageous position for this project? Can anyone? Why is Muppandal is advantage?
It gets the winds directly from Arabian Sea.
Yeah, it is beside Arabian Sea. Always. Where we can install windmills, children? Where we can install windmills? In near seashore or
Coastal areas.
or mountain regions. where minimum 15 kmph wind is there. There only we can install. Next question, children. Based on the data presented in the graph below, which of the two cities A or B would be the ideal location for establishing a wind energy farm and why? Two graphs they have given, children. Which is good village for establishing A na B? Down one is A, upper one is B.
A.
A.
Which village is best, children?
City
sir.
A.
Which village is best, children?
A.
No, B, children. B, continuously in B, always you are having 90 kmph wind state, children. Whereas in A village it is fluctuating. Means we can't establish a side, means yes, we can establish, no problem. But you see, B is more advantageous. Continuously you are getting 90 kmph wind. So B village is very good. A village also you can put because 15 kmph wind is enough for us to establish a windmill. Okay, children. So like this, you have to answer the case studies, children. Like this, you have to answer the case studies. Okay. Next, go to fourth question, children. All of you. There is a case study in fourth question. Children, all of you understood this question? Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. What is the most funny thing means you people are not observing this? For this year, this syllabus is not there for us. Source of energy, this syllabus is not there for us. That's why you people are having a little bit confusion from where they have given this method. This is from source of energy. Only for 2021, this is limited, children, because of Corona. Okay, children, next question. So, children, there is a doctor's prescription. I mean to say, report is there, children. Please see it down. Doctor advice mean blood sugar, good and excellent. They have given, children. Okay, two patients are there, X and Y. Please see the patient X and patient Y. Two patients, blood glucose level are seen, children. Before breakfast, less than 100 and less than 70 to 130. So please see here, children. So refer to the table B showing the blood report of levels of glucose of patient X and Y. So children, you can see now, children, patient X is having less than 100, less than 110, less than 140, less than 120. Patient Y is ranging from 70 to 130, 70 to 130, less than 180, 90 to 50. Now, first of all, you have to see, children, excellent means children, doctor's advice is needed means it is beyond 3, beyond 250. Good means 180 to 150. Excellent means 115, 80 and 50, children. Glucose levels in the blood. 115, 80, 50 is excellent. Now tell me, children. From this, infer the disease which can be diagnosed from the given data.
Diabetes.
Yes. What is the disease he is talking about, children? Diabetes. What is diabetes, anyone? What is diabetes? High blood glucose levels will be there in the body, children. High blood glucose levels will be there in the body, children. Second question. Identify the hormone whose levels in the blood is responsible for the above disease. Which
Insulin.
hormone?
Insulin.
Insulin hormone controls diabetes and glucose levels in the body. Third question. Which of the following diets would you recommend of the affected patient? Low
Low
sugar,
sugar, high fiber.
high fiber, low sugar and high fiber, low sugar and high fiber. Okay, children, low sugar should be there and high fiber. And last big question, children. Refer to the table A and such as the value of the mean blood glucose level beyond which doctor's advice is necessary. Beyond which doctor's advice is necessary. Beyond 180.
180.
Beyond 180. Okay, children. So these are the case studies. Children, go to 12th question. Children. 12th question. No, not 12th question. Assertion and reasoning, children. Which question is assertion and reasoning? Go to 13th question, children. All of you go to 13th question. 13th question. I am telling assertion. Tell me correct or wrong, children. All of you. 13th question. Gas are structural isomers of butane. Two structures are given. They are saying structural isomers of butane. Are they correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Correct.
These two are structural isomers of butane. Yes or no?
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. No reasoning. Reasoning. Structural isomers have the same molecular formula, but they differ in their structure.
True,
No,
sir.
sir.
Option
Yes,
A.
sir.
The different structures, true explanation also correct. So option A is correct answer. Okay. 14th question, please. I will read assertion and reasoning, and you tell me whether A fuse wire is always connected in parallel.
No, false.
False. Compulsory fuse wire should be connected in series.
Series.
If a current larger than specified value flows through the circuit, fuse wire melt.
Correct, sir.
True.
True.
Correct, sir.
Option
Which
D. D.
Option D. Option D. Children. Option D is A is false. Okay, next. 16th question. 16th question is there. Sorry, 14th over, children.
Yes, sir. Assistant reasoning over.
Assertion reasoning over, children. Go. Okay, come. That page is over, children. Now go to 20th mark. The next picture and go to next question, next person, next paper. I will keep on scrolling up. Keep on scrolling up. Let's do. Keep on scrolling up, children. Assertion reasoning. Children, did you got CBSE model paper, children? CBSE 13th March 2019.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Children, open 13th March CBSE 19. Assertion reasoning video. 13th March CBSE 2019. Please open that paper. Directly go to assertion reasoning. Which questions are there? Children? Assertion reasoning are there. First of all.
I don't think so, sir.
No, it's not there. Please mute your audio, children.
No, sir, it's not there, sir.
It's not there, children. Keep on scrolling down. I slowly scroll down, children. Next paper, I will say. I'll give time also to open. Slowly, you keep scrolling down. Topper's paper is also there. Go below that. Topper's paper is also there. Go below that. Keep on. Two Topper's papers are there. Give both, children. Yeah, children. Sample paper 1. Can you see sample paper 1, children? Go to sample paper 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, children. Please go to sample paper 1. We'll do case studies and assertions and readings. Go to sample paper 1, children, please. 13th question. Case studies are not there, no, children, in this also?
They're
Others,
there,
sir?
sir.
Where, Nana? Where is it?
Case studies are
Case
there,
studies
sir.
not, sir. Bits are there. Fourth question case study on this.
Shall we do all the bits?
Yes, sir.
Oh, fourth question, third question is there, no?
Yes, sir. Third question
Yeah,
is
Sorry,
third
third
available.
question is
also
there. Okay, let's answer first question also. What is DNA?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid. Second question. Second question. Molecular formula of hydrocarbon C3H8. What is saying? Molecular formula of hydrocarbon. Draw its complete structure. What is the name, children? Anyone? What is the name of this
Propane.
compound?
Propane.
Only Rakesh is saying. Remaining all students actually enjoying. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Propane. Now go to case study, children. Third question case study is there, please. Third question case study is there, children. But unfortunately, box type solar cooker is not there for you, children. Shall I discuss or no need, children? If you want, I'll discuss. Even fourth question is not there, children, because it is coming from natural resources. Shall we discuss, children?
If you'll say we'll understand, sir. Or it's completely different terms will be.
We'll discuss, children. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir. We'll discuss.
we'll discuss, no problem, children, because if suddenly if it comes, whom you will go and say. So first question, children, box type solar cooker. You want to read that, children? You want to go through that once?
Yes, sir.
Please go through, children. I can't read for you. Please go through fast. I'm giving 1 second time, children. 1 minute time. Fast. All of you read. Full concentration. Okay, children. Later you can read. What type of reaction occurs inside the sun that produces solar energy? Inside the sun, what reactions will occur? Anyone know?
Nuclear.
Nuclear fusion reactions. Nuclear fusion, small atoms combine to form big molecule. Small hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. That is called fusion.
Stars also nuclear fusion.
Yes, sun is a star only, no? Sun is a star
Okay.
only, no? Yes, all stars and suns are able to liberate light energy from millions of years. It is because of nuclear fusion where small hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. Nuclear fusion, not fission. By mistake, also don't say nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is responsible for atom bomb and hydrogen bomb. Atom bomb. Okay, so nuclear fusion, sun and star, nuclear fusion. Second question. Why is the solar cooker box covered with glass sheet?
Concentration of light rays.
Concentration of sun rays, sir.
No, here glass sheet is there. Can anyone say why glass sheet is there?
Decrease the sun.
Okay, children. So all solar energy will fall like this and go inside. All the solar energy falls and go inside. All the solar energy falls and go inside, and they are trapped inside. Glass sheet will trap all the sun rays inside. By in 9th class I told by greenhouse effect. Children, all the heat rays will go inside, lose their strength, cannot come outside. All the heat rays accumulate inside, and the box will become very hot. And this is called greenhouse effect. That's why if you open the car after some time, if you keep in the hot sun, and if you open the car, how much hot it will be. If you go into the bus, how much hot it will be. It is because through the glasses, sun rays are entering, but they're not able to go outside. So glass sheet function is to trap solar energy. Glass sheet function is to trap the solar energy by greenhouse effect. To trap the solar energy by greenhouse effect. To trap the solar energy by greenhouse effect. Third question. What kind of mirror, concave, convex, or plane would be best
Concave.
suited? Solar cooker. It is there for you.
Concave.
Concave mirror.
Solar cooker, concave mirror, because
All
the
light rays coming from the sun will concentrate.
concentrate at one point. You concentrate at what point? Focus.
Focus.
Light rays from infinity meets at
Focus.
focus. Light rays from infinity meets at focus.
Focus.
Light rays from infinity meets at focus, and this gets very hot, and you can use it for cooking. Name the semiconductor which is used in making solar cells. Anyone? Solar cells are made up of? Solar cells are made up of anyone?
Silicons.
Germanium, silicon and germanium. Solar cells are made up of. Solar cells are fabricated from silicon and germanium. Solar cells are made up of silicon and germanium. Solar cells are made up of silicon and germanium. Go to the fourth question. So, which of the following is not the constituent of plaque? Children, plaque is a deposit which collects around the teeth. Following table shows the pH value of the plaque surrounding the teeth of a girl over a period of 4 hours. Okay, so 7, first hour 7, second hour 7.1, third 7.2, fourth 4.1. Which of the following is not the composition of plaque, constituent of plaque, children?
Base.
Constituent of plaque. Anyone?
Saliva or base?
No, base only. Correct. Just anyone means you say you change the answer. Huh?
Food.
No. Base only. Bases will not be there in plaque. Bases will neutralize the acidity. The acid is there in the mouth. Saliva is there in the mouth. Bacteria is there in the mouth. That is the constituent of plaque. Base is not the constituent. Base helps it neutralizing the acidity. Next. State the time during the day in which the condition is most favorable for tooth decay as per the information given above.
3
Four.
hours.
4, sir.
4 hours. Sir.
4 hours. After 4 hours, we can see how much plaque is forming. After 4 hours, you can see the plaque formation. Next, what substance is mixed with food in the mouth during chewing?
Salivary amylase.
Saliva is mixed. Saliva is mixed. Saliva liberates salivary amylase. Saliva makes the food into bolus. Saliva makes the food into bolus. Okay. Next, how can the formation of plaque be prevented?
Brushing.
Brushing with
Basic
Basic
toothpaste.
toothpaste.
basic toothpaste.
Twice a day.
twice a day, especially while night while sleeping 100% compulsory. Because whatever you eat, if you close the mouth, its bacterial decomposition will increase. While sleeping, brushing is very, very good habit. Never forget that. How much ever you are sick, you should not forget that. First question. Next, fifth one, children. Children, fifth one is a bit one. Children, shall we do bits also?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It will take long time. Shall I discuss? Your wish. First, go to assertion reasoning. It will take long time, children. Go to assertion for 13th question. Tell me the answer, anyone? Red color is used in danger signals.
True,
Yes,
sir.
sir. True.
True, sir.
The scattering of red is more.
Wrong. It is least.
Scattering is more. Wrong. Scattering is least. Okay.
C.
So C is the answer. Next 14th one. Carbonic acid is a weak acid. Carbonic acid is a weak acid.
False.
True.
True, sir.
Carbonic acid, soda water we will drink, no? Why we are drinking if it is weak only we will drink. Carbonic acid is a weak acid. Why it is weak? Don't say because we drink. You should say it undergoes partial decomposition. It undergoes partial decomposition. Reasoning? It ionizes completely. If it ionizes completely, it is a
Complete.
strong acid.
Wrong.
Complete decomposition.
So this is wrong. Assertion is correct. Reasoning is wrong. What is the best option? C. Okay, children. Next. 15th one is there. 16th one, 17th one. All bits are there, children. You have to do, children. If you do this, they are the best. Next. Go to next paper, children. Yeah, children. Can you see the sample paper number 2, children? Go to sample paper number 2. Please go to sample paper number 2, children. Sample paper number 2. What is the first question? State the location and function of gastric glands. Where is gastric gland present?
The stomach.
Stomach. A normal student will write stomach, and good student will draw even the stomach. It's up to you. Are you a normal student or a good student? It's your wish. Stomach. What is the function of micropyle? We never heard about that, sir. You say,
Sir, the function of gastric glands also they asked.
They asked her.
Yes.
Oh, function of gastric gland. They asked her. What is the function of gastric gland? Gastric gland secretes gastric juice. They secrete gastric juice. Gastric juice has what? HCl and
HCl.
HCl and
Pepsin.
enzymes. What are the enzymes? Pepsin,
Pepsin, renin, lipase.
Micropyle. What is the function of micropyle? Anyone? What is the function of micropyle? Do you remember what is micropyle, children? Once upon a time, when you people are very small kids, I told the structure of ovule. Do you remember, children? I told the structure of ovule.
Yes, sir.
In the ovule, I told this is micropyle.
Okay.
This is micropyle. What is the function of micropyle? At least tell me now, please, for God's sake. What is the function of micropyle?
Allows pollen access to egg inside. It allows pollen.
What, Nana? What you're saying?
Protects ovules, sir.
No protection, nothing. It pollen tube, it allows pollen tube to go inside. Pollen tube enters through micropyle. The pollen tube is there, what children? Pollen tube has how many wavelengths? 2 wavelengths. Pollen tube enters through micropyle. Pollen tube enters through micropyle. Even we made a video on the ovule structure. What for we made, children? For my sake or what? Pollen tube enters through micropyle. Pollen tube enters through micropyle. Don't forget. Pollen tube enters through micropyle. Structure of ovule. The pollen tube which is coming, it falls on stigma through the style, through the ovary, comes here and goes inside through the micropyle. What is the function of micropyle? Pollen tube enters into ovule through micropyle. Pollen tube enters through ovule into ovule through micropyle. That's why you should attend classes regularly and you should listen what I am discussing. Okay, go to third question. So children, all acids have similar chemical properties. For example, acids generate hydrogen gas when react with metals, and hydrogen seems to common to all acids. to investigate whether it is liberating or not, following setup is taken, children. Okay, based on the above setup, first question, third A, who will tell me what do you observe passing current?
Electrolysis takes place.
The bulb will glow.
Bulb will
It is
glow.
as
What do you observe when electric current is passed? When electric current is passed, bulb glows. Why bulb glows? Because HCl is a
Yes.
good conductor of electricity because it has H plus and Cl minus ions. Second question. If you repeat the experiment separately with glucose and alcohol, what will be you observe? If you do instead of HCl, if I take glucose, what will you observe?
Bulb will
will
not glow.
not grow.
Bulb will not glow.
Why bulb won't
Bad.
glow?
Bad
It's a bad conductor.
Very bad answer. Bulb won't glow. Anyone? Why?
Free
Sahiti.
electrons won't be there.
Sahiti, why bulb won't glow? Sahiti is there or window?
Yes, sir.
Why bulb won't glow when you take glucose or alcohol or petrol or kerosene or diesel? Instead of HCl, I'm taking glucose. Bulb don't glow. Why?
Sir,
The
because
hydronium ion
covalent-
concentration is so low.
Sir,
Ah,
covalent bonds dominate, sir.
super Satya, super. Glucose is carbon compound. Carbon compounds are covalent
Covalent bond.
compounds. Covalent compounds do not have
Free electrons.
Yes.
Electric
ions.
conductor.
Don't say electrons. Covalent compounds do not have ions. Therefore, they are
Bad conductor.
Bad conductor.
bad conductors of electricity. Glucose, alcohol, petrol, diesel, kerosene, sugar solution, starch solution, whatever you take, they all are carbon compounds. Carbon compounds are covalent compounds. Covalent compounds don't have ions. When they don't have ions, who will conduct electricity? Please don't talk about electrons. Electrons you have to talk in case of metals only. I'm talking about the covalent compounds. Here, you have to discuss only about the ions, children. Ions are not present. Please mute your audios. Children, next. What does glowing of bulb indicates? What does glowing of bulb indicates? HCl
HCl.
is acid,
Flow of
which has
H plus and
ions.
Ions.
What ions?
H plus and Cl minus.
Ions are responsible for
Conduction of electricity.
conduction of electricity. If you write like this, children, who will dare to cut your marks on that? No one will dare. No one will dare, children. But what you will write and what God knows everything. Really, God knows, children, what you will write also. Give reason for the above observations. Same above observations is same, children. They have ions, they don't have ions. Okay, this is your third question, children. Go to fourth question, children. Fourth question also we will do a children, fourth question. Very nice question. It's from light lesson. So they have given the speed or refractive index of various substances. Find out the given table, the medium having highest density. Highest density. Who?
diamond.
Diamond. Highest density means refractive index. Highest density is diamond. Second question. As light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, what happens? If light travels from rarer to denser, velocity decreases. Velocity decreases. Velocity decreases. If light travels from rarer to density, velocity decreases. Why? Because rarer means molecules are far, denser means molecules are near. You are given kerosene, turpentine, water. In which of them light travels fast?
Water.
Water, because it
has a low
fast
refractive index.
because it has low
Refractive index.
refractive index. Refractive index is inversely proportional to speed. How we discussed refractive index is velocity of light paid by velocity of light in given medium. Refractive index is inversely proportional to velocity. More the refractive index, less is the speed. Simple question. In air, will light travel faster? In water?
Air.
Air. In water or in glass?
Water.
Water. In glass or diamond?
Glass.
Glass. Simple. That's all, children. You can understand like this. Next question. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this? The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement? Million times I told this one. I don't know how many of you remember this.
Speed of velocity of light in air and the speed of light in diamond is 2.42.
Something you remember little. So refractive index of diamond means velocity of light in air by velocity of light in diamond is 2.4. So this you bring here, this you bring down. Velocity of light in diamond is 1 by 2.42 times velocity of light in air. This is the meaning. Also did not understand. Once again, I will say refractive index of glass is 1.33. What is the meaning of 1.33? Velocity of light in air by velocity of light in glass is 1.33. So velocity of light in glass is 1.33 goes down. 1 by 1.33 times the velocity of light in air. Like this. Those who didn't understand, once again. Refractive index of water is 1.5. What does it mean? Velocity of light in air by velocity of light in water is 1.5. This goes here, this goes down. Velocity of light in water is 1 by 1.5 times velocity of light in air. Like this here. Okay, children. So velocity of light in diamond is 1 by 2.42 times the velocity of light in air. Velocity of light in diamond is 1 by 2.42 times the velocity of light in air. So how you will answer, how you remember, how much you remember is up to you, children. I am doing my duty. Okay, children. Next question. So which of the following statement is correct with you want to tell me next question also, children, or shall I go to Adarsh and reasoning? You want me to discuss MCQs or shall I go to Adarsh and reasoning? Your wish.
Assertions.
Sure. Shall I go to Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
Go to Adarsh and reasoning, children. If you want, anyone you can ask, children. Okay. Adarsh and reasoning, children. Sure. 13th question. Adarsh, I'm reading. Tell me the answer. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 joule per second. Wow, bumper of a fridge. I don't know whether you know it or not also. 1 kilowatt is 1000 joule per second. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, children. Because joule per second is watt.
What?
Kilowatt means 1000 joule per second. Children, watt is joule per second. Power is work done in time. 1 kilo means 1000. Correct, very correct. Reasoning. Watt and joule per second are SI units of power. SI units of power. Is it correct reasoning? Yes, correct
Yes.
reasoning.
A.
Correct.
Option A.
Next. Veins have thick walls.
False.
False.
Walls. Veins have thin walls. Breathing veins are not under pressure.
Yes, sir. True.
Yes, sir.
True.
It is true.
Option
is
D. D.
Option
In
D.
veins, there is no pressure with white equals. White equals you don't require equals only. Okay, children? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I discuss MCQs or shall I go to next paper?
Discuss MCQs.
You want MCQs?
Yes,
Ask,
sir.
ask
Yes,
with
sir.
confidence, children. Ask with confidence. Why are you scared?
Yes, sir. Discuss.
Okay, if you want, you ask me because once I go down again, I don't like to come up again. Okay, go to first 12th question. 12th question. A student sitting on last bench. Children, this is out of syllabus for you. Shall I discuss myopia, hypermetropia? Okay, anyway, simply I will say, student sitting in last bench is not able to see the board. What is he suffering from?
Myopia.
Myopia.
Myopia. He's suffering from myopia. And myopia can be corrected by using
Concave lens.
Concave lens.
concave lens. I think I told you, no, children, all these things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To convert AC to DC, what we will use? In differences, I told you. AC to DC, what we will use? Full rings are converted into half rings.
Split rings.
Okay. So, children, Splitting time must be used. Splitting, so yeah. Splitting commutator must be used. Splitting commutator, half rings. Half rings are called split rings commutator must be used. Full rings are converted into half rings in DC. 10th question. Chalo. Which of the following statements are usually correct? For carbon compounds. Children, carbon compounds are good conductors of electricity. Is it true?
False. False.
False. Are poor conductors of electricity?
True.
True. Have strong force of attraction between their molecules?
True.
False. Covalent compounds are weak. Covalent compounds are weak. Do not have strong force of attraction between them.
True.
True. So B and D is correct. Which option is correct?
Fourth option.
Fourth option.
Got 9th question. Which of the following oxides of iron would be obtained on prolonged reaction? Rusting. No, steam. Iron with steam.
Fe3O4.
Very good. Iron with steam. Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas. Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas. Balance you do.
Balance.
Next. Length of covalent tube depends on the distance between. Length of covalent tube depends upon. Children, this is stigma. This is stigma. This is ovule. Length of the pollen tube depends upon.
Second option.
Pollen grain and upper surface of stigma. Pollen grain of upper surface of stigma and ovule. Stigma to ovule. Stigma to ovule. Stigma to ovule. Second option. Okay. And this is 8th question. Why am I writing 10? 8th question. 8th question. A children, please go to 8th question. A factors responsible for rapid spread of bread mold. One by one, I will read. You tell correct or not. Large number of spores. Correct or not?
True.
Correct.
True, sir.
True. Availability of moisture.
True.
True.
True. Presence of tubular branch hypha.
No.
False. Formation of round-shaped sporangia.
True.
False. False.
What for? Rapid dispersal. Rapid dispersal. For rapid dispersal, how sporangia will help Nana? So which options are correct? A and B.
Third option.
Third option. Got 7th question, children. 7th question. The important message conveyed by the Chipko movement. Do you know what Chipko movement, children?
Yes, sir.
Hug the tree movement. Do you know hug the tree movements? To involve the community in forest conservation efforts, to ignore the community, to cut down forests, government agencies have unquestionable. So answer is involve
option,
community.
sir.
First option. Next question. You don't know what you people will do in exam, children. You should be very, very careful. Which of the following statements about the given reaction is correct? Children, Fe plus H2O is giving Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas. I'll be reading one by one. Tell me correct or wrong. Iron is oxidized.
True.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Water is reduced.
True.
True, sir.
True.
True. Water is a reducing agent.
False.
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 Oxidizing it.
Oxidizing agent. Water is oxidizing agent.
True.
True, sir.
So ABD is there an option?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Third option.
Third option. Yes, third option. Third option, no? Yeah. Next, children. One more reaction, same like that. Ammonia plus oxygen is giving NO plus H2O. It's an example of displacement reaction.
No, sir.
Is an example of displacement reaction.
True. True.
No. No, sir.
Oxygen is going, one oxygen is going here, hydrogen is coming.
Redox also no, sir.
Double displacement will come. Sir.
First one, redox, neutralization, children. This is base, this is oxygen. Combination, redox to pakka children. Always redox to pakka. All reactions are redox only. Redox and which one? C along with C, who are there? You see one along with C, A is there, A is there, A, C, A. Okay, children, along with C, A is there. Displacement and redox you give answer. Displacement and redox. Okay,
But
children?
actually, it's double displacement, no, sir.
Double displacement, hydrogen is coming, oxygen is going. Double displacement, we can't say it's small reactions. Fifth question, children. Fifth question. Which of the following statement is correct about receptor? Gustatory is present on the tongue, children. It will help in seeing the taste. Is it correct? Olfactory smell, yes. Gustatory is smell. Olfactory is gustatory is taste. Olfactory is smell. First one is correct. Both gustatory and olfactory detect smell. Wrong. Auditory detect smell. No. Auditory sound.
Wrong.
Wrong. Olfactory detect taste. No.
Wrong.
Olfactory
Wrong, sir.
smell. So gustatory is for taste.
Taste.
Gustatory is for
Taste.
taste. And olfactory is for
Smell.
smell, children. Olfactory is for smell. Due to your audience, children. Okay, children. Children, last paper will do and we'll stop. Go to sample paper 4. 4 or 3, children.
3.
Sample paper 3, first question. What is the name of phenomenon with which right side of object appears to be left side?
Lateral inversion.
Lateral inversion occurs in which mirror?
Plane mirror.
Plane mirrors. Name two simple organisms having ability of regeneration.
Hydra and planaria.
Planaria.
Planaria and
Hydra.
Spirogyra. Fragmentation. Fragmentation is also regeneration, children. Go to third question, children. Okay, so third question is like this. Okay. Children A3, B4, I11, J12, C5, D6, E7, F8, F8, G9, or J10, H10 also is there. H10, K13, L14, M15, N16, O17, P18. Okay, children, tell me, children, which element is bigger, A or F? A
F.
or F?
A.
A is bigger because in period
Atomic size decreases.
atomic size decreases. In period atomic size decreases. Nobody is saying children answers very bad. Which element has high valency? K or
K.
O?
K. Sir.
K
K
is
is
plus 3, O is minus 1.
0.
So which has high valency? K.
Okay.
K. You have tried K is plus 3, O is minus 1. So K, you have tried reason. If you don't try reason, forget about the marks. Which element is more metallic? I or K?
I.
Sir.
I, K.
Metallic character decreases from left to right.
Metallic character decreases in period. Next, select a letter which represents a non-metal of valency 2.
N.
2.
N.
F and N. F and N are non-metals with valency 2. Metals with valency 2 means BJ. Non-metals with F and.
In question, he said only one. No, sir. If you write 2, he'll accept, sir.
Why you won't accept? Everyone should accept that because that is correct only.
Okay.
That should be fourth question. Please go to fourth question. Fourth question, there are given the VI graph. This is VI graph. Like this is given. First question. Name the law which is illustrated by the above VI graph.
Ohm's.
Ohm's law. What will write in brackets or below the Ohm's law? Definition. Potential applied is directly proportional to current flowing in a conductor. Write down the formula.
V is equal to IR.
V is equal to I.
Yeah. What is the maximum resistance which can be made using 5 resistors each of 1 by 5? 5 resistors are there each of 1 by 5. Maximum in series. In series, what is the formula? N 5 into 1 by 5. So 1 ohm in series maximum, in parallel minimum. Series maximum, parallel minimum. Which of the following represents voltage? What is voltage? Work done in moving a charge. Work done in moving a charge.
Charge.
Q is equal to IT. If you want, you can write Q is equal to IT also. Next question, fifth question. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it's salt of
Strong
So-
base and weak acid.
it's the salt of strong base,
Weak acid.
weak acid. What is the salt base? NaOH.
So,
What is the acid it is forming from?
H2CO3.
H2CO3.
Carbonic acid.
Okay, children, H2CO3. Carbonic acid is a weak acid. Okay, children. Remaining case studies and Adarsh and Rajini are doing the next class. Children. So please give your attendance to them.